Hello guys, this is TJ Villanueva. Today ang topic natin is I have no time. I'm super busy. Paano ba natin sasagutin yung ganitong klase ng objection? So meron akong hinandang 3 answer para sa objection na to. Okay, number 1. Papapiliin mo siya sa dalawang answer na to. Number 1 is yung I'm not interested. Number 2 is I'm interested but I'm busy. Para malaman mo kung yung taong kausap mo talaga bang interesado sa negosyo mo or hindi. At least, kung hindi interesado, you don't waste your time. Madalas kasi yung mga tao nakakausap natin, sinasabi lang nila na busy sila. Pero ang totoo nun, hindi sila interesado. Okay? So number 2, I understand time management and then you tell a story. So paano ito gagawin? Mr. Prospect, I know na sobrang busy ka. I understand. Pero marami kaming katulad mo rin na ginagawa rin yung business. Sobrang busy rin nila. I think ang sagot, Mr. Prospect, is yung time management. Pag naayos natin yung time management mo, I think kaya mong gawin yung negosyo na to. You know what, Mr. Prospect? May mga kasama kami na katulad mo rin. Sobrang busy din. Ginagawa nila yung business. And now they are making around 10 to 50,000 pesos a month. Dahil lang dun sa time management na ginagawa nila. So, I think kaya mo rin yung gawin. Okay? Number 3. If I can show you, will you give it a try? Mr. Prospect, if I can show you kung paano yung gagawin yung negosyo ng 15 minutes to 30 minutes lang every day or every other day, will you give it a try? So, yan yung mga example na answer sa mga objection na katulad nito. So, I hope marami kayong natutunan. Again, this is TJ Villanueva. I'm just here to help you.